Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect your social accounts to the Sololearn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the account section, click on the connected accounts button. And as you can see, you can add your Facebook, your Google, your LinkedIn, your GitHub and your Stack Overflow account. So whichever you want to choose, just click on the add new button and then you can add it to this platform. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.